Hey, welcome to the BudgetEASE Broadcast. Let's talk about financial reports. If you've ever opened QuickBooks and felt like you were staring at a spreadsheet maze, you're not alone. Your reports shouldn't be a puzzle. They should tell a story. Whether you're a small business owner or running a nonprofit, the right reports can help make smarter decisions faster. So, what should you be looking for? Hey, start with that profit and loss by class. Great for nonprofit tracking programs, events, or grants. You can find this in QuickBooks Online by going to Reports and then searching for profit and loss by class. Just make sure class tracking is turned on in your settings. Need to understand your sales by client over time? Try sales by customer summary or sales by product and service. These are perfect for spotting your top clients and your best-selling services. You'll find them under Reports, Sales, and Customers. Want to dig into expenses by vendor? Use Expenses by Vendor Summary. That's a great way to see who you're spending the most with and maybe where you can negotiate. If you're managing a team, Payroll summary reports can help you track labor costs. And if you're planning to expand, breaking down facility expenses into custom Excel spreadsheets can help you budget for that second location. For visual learners, tools like Fathom integrate with QuickBooks to turn your KPIs into dashboards. Think charts, graphs, and trend lines. No more squinting at rows of number. And if you're applying for grants, pulling budget versus actual reports or specific program financials can make your application stronger and more transparent. The key is to use reports that match your goals, not just the default ones. Customize, filter, and dig deeper. Your numbers have to tell a story. You just need the right tools to read it. Hey, thanks for joining us at the BudgetEASE Broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you at the next one.